Hi guys, if you want to listen to the music offline on your Shokz OpenSwim Pro, you need to transfer the MP3 files directly. So in this video, you are going to learn how you can do it step by step. So first of all, you just have to simply plug your Shokz OpenSwim Pro into your computer using the original USB charging cable. The device will automatically enter the USB storage mode and your computer is going to detect it like a USB drive. Afterwards, on your Windows, you just have to simply open this PC or Mac, and then you just have to simply open the Finder folder. Afterwards, simply locate the Shokz device under the external drives and click to open the internal storage. Now you just have to do nothing but to just simply drag and drop the MP3 files that you have available on your device. Avoid creating too many nested folders for best compatibility. These headphones are designed mainly for MP3 format and not the streaming apps. Once the transfer is complete, you just have to right click on the headphones folder and then simply select the option of eject on your computer. Then disconnect the cable. This is going to prevent file corruption and it will also ensure that all the tracks are saved properly. After doing so, you just have to turn off the headphones and switch to the MP3 mode using the mode button. You can then now play your stored music directly without Bluetooth. So you can follow these steps once and your setup will be completed. Thanks for watching.